long time ago when we were kids, and every now and again we'd have rock cakes, and I used to really like them, so I'm going to make some right now. So first thing I'm going to do is get some self-raising flour, and we're going to sieve it into a bowl, and we want 225 grams of that. And to that we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. Then we want 100 grams of butter, and we'll chop that into cubes. So now we have to do that annoying bit. It's all mixed together nicely. And now we've got to turn this mixture into breadcrumbs by just rubbing the butter and the flour between finger and thumb. And this is going to take a while, so I'll skip this bit. And I think that'll do. So, next ingredient, 60 grams of sugar, straight in. And I've also got 1 teaspoon of allspice, or mixed spices. And we'll get that in. That's going to give it a little bit of a flavour. Then we've got 125 grams of mixed fruit. Use any fruit that you want. So I'm just going to pop them straight in. Mix it to try and distribute it evenly. There we go. And your last ingredient, 1 egg. I'm just going to add a splash of milk to that. Basically just going to fill the lid. And that's enough. And then that egg can go straight in. Now we just need to incorporate all this together. And what we're looking for when we're doing this is a mixture that will stick together, but it's not wet. So that's why we only add a tiny bit of milk. If we need any more when we've finished mixing this, we can always add some. On the other end of the scale, if you find when you've mixed this, it's a little bit too wet, just sprinkle in a little bit of extra flour. So we'll pick a piece up and we'll just roll it. And if your hands are still clean, then that's alright. But we're not making balls. So, quick wipe over with some lard. That's just so your paper sticks. And now this is the easiest bit. We're basically just going to get a lump of this stuff. Any size that you want to make them. And we're just going to get it like that. Put it on this tray. Shape it a little bit if you want to, but not too much. We're going with the rock look, so again, big as you like. They're all different sizes, doesn't matter. And that's what makes these so easy to make, because you haven't got to make anything that looks special, but they do taste special. So, simple as that. There's your rock cakes ready to go in the oven. So, set your oven. I'd set to about 175 and then pop them on the middle shelf and just check them every 10 minutes. And once you see them starting to brown a little bit on top, then they're done. Well, those rock cakes are now done, and it only took 20 minutes in the oven. But they are the most alien looking cakes that you'll ever see in your life. There you go. From prep to being baked, 30 minutes. And you've got a really nice, tasty, old school treat. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see what other recipes we come up with in future, then please just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you next time. You all take care.